Hey, so if Confluence feels slow or lags while loading pages, yeah, that can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First thing, check your internet speed. Next, close unnecessary browser tabs. All right, clear your browser cache. Now disable extensions. Next, simplify large pages with too much content. All right, split big pages into smaller ones. Now update your browser. Next, check system status for server issues. And yeah, try another device or network. So that's how you fix Confluent's slow performance. Once optimized, everything should run faster and smoother.